Hi, welcome back. In the previous lessons, you have learned a lot about different types of HTML elements and you already got started using them to create websites. Now in this section, we are going to take it a little bit further and explore some more intermediate and advanced concepts in HTML. We are going to get started in this lesson by learning about HTML comments and then list elements, the ordered and the unordered list. Alright, let's first talk about HTML comments. Imagine you are leaving little notes for yourself or for others in your code. That's exactly what HTML comments are. They help you remember what your code does and make it easier to collaborate with others. Although HTML comments are not visible when viewed in a browser, they serve a valuable purpose in documenting your HTML source code. They allow you to add notes or explanations that can be helpful for yourself or other developers who might work on the code in the future. By using HTML comments, you can provide context and clarity to your markup, making it easier to understand and maintain over time. Now you can add comments to your HTML source by using following syntax. You can see that there is an exclamation point in the start tag, but not in the end tag. Watch closely as I add a comment. It's like leaving a little message that doesn't affect your web page appearance. Just wrap your comment between less than, then exclamation mark, then this double dashes, and this is how you can add comments when you are coding. And by using comments, you have the ability to incorporate notifications and reminders into your HTML code by utilizing comments. This can be done by adding specific instructions or notes that serve as helpful reminders throughout your code. So comment is just for you and other programmers so they know what that line of code does. Now let's shift our focus to HTML list elements. Imagine you are making a shopping list but for your web content. HTML list elements help you organize information in a structured and readable way. HTML lists are a valuable tool for us as they enable easy grouping of related items. By using HTML lists, we can effectively organize and structure content on a web page, enhancing its readability and clarity. Lists also offer flexibility, allowing us to choose from various types such as ordered or unordered lists based on specific needs of our project. Let's start off by exploring one of the most commonly used types, the unordered list. Creating it is incredibly straightforward. You begin with an opening tag UL and close it with a corresponding closing tag. Now traditionally we have dealt with one line element where we insert content between the opening and closing tags. However, in this case it's slightly different. The content structure here is a bit unique. Instead of being on a single line, they are on separate lines. This is because we require an additional type of tag between these two opening and closing tags to finalize the unordered list. These tags are known as list items. Now take a look, we have 3 list items, each containing content, yet all 3 items are enveloped within this unordered list. Remember, for any list to display content, it must include list items. Now you might wonder, what does this look like when we run this code? The result is quite simple. Unordered list items will create those characteristic bullet points, as you can see in this example, where the order of items doesn't hold significance. And that's precisely why an unordered list suits scenarios like this. An unordered list starts with UL tag. Each list item starts with LI tag. The list item will be marked with bullet points by default. And this is all about unordered list element. Now what is ordered list element? If you require your list items to follow a specific sequence, an ordered list would be your choice. And to make this list an ordered list, we just have to replace UL tag into OL tag. By simply just replacing these two tags, we can make our list into an ordered list. And you can see here, now we have numbers instead of bullet points on our web page. And after placing the list items within this structure, you will notice that they are assigned numbers. The numbering begins from 1 and the digit next to each list item correspond to their order within the ordered list elements. So our ordered lists are labeled with numbers, and it's a straightforward process. When comparing the two, the ordered list presents us with numbers, while the unordered list offers bullet points. That's the crux of it. However, what truly matters is recognizing that these components play a vital role in the construction of websites across the internet. Understanding their utilization is essential for effective web development. Now, other than these two, we have three more list elements, and you can see all list elements on the screen. But ordered list and unordered list elements are mostly used during building our website. And that's it. Now you have a better understanding of HTML comments and HTML list elements. These tools are invaluable in creating organized and visually appealing web pages. By using comments, you can leave helpful notes for yourself and others working on the code. Meanwhile, lists allow you to present information in a clear and easily comprehensible format. Overall, these features greatly contribute to creating clean and well-structured web pages. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this exciting web development journey with us. Keep coding and creating. I will see you in the next video.